Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bling effects to your photo on the Lumii-Photot Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture and go to the Effects option next to the Adjust section at the bottom of the screen. And here go to the second option, the bling. And here you can find bling and glow effects, and just select one, for example the B2, and you can edit these effects if you drag the circle on the line and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.